AMD has officially unveiled its new 12-core and 16-core processors featuring 3D V-cache technology. However, the company has yet to reveal pricing details, making it difficult to assess how these products will be positioned in the market. AMD has confirmed that the Ryzen 9 9950X3D will feature a 5.7 GHz boost clock, matching the 9950X, along with a 170 West TDP. This processor offers a total of 144 MB of cache, a notable increase compared to the NONG X3D variant, which comes with 80 MB of cache. The 12-core Ryzen 9 9990X3D comes with a 5.5 GHz boost clock, which is 100 MHz lower than the 990X. It offers a total of 140 MB cache, nearly double the 76 MB found in the NONG X3D version, while maintaining the same 120 West TDP. AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D performance highlights. Delivers an average of 8% higher gaming performance tested across 40 games at 180p high settings compared to the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D. Achieves an average of 20% better gaming performance tested across 40 games at 180p high settings compared to the Intel Core Ultra 9285K. Offers an average of 13% improved performance in content creation tested with 20 applications compared to the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X3D. Delivers an average of 10% better performance in content creation tested with 20 applications compared to the Intel Core Ultra 9285K. According to AMD, the 9950X3D offers an 8% performance increase compared to the 7950X3D and a 20% improvement over the Core Ultra 9285K in gaming benchmarks. These results are based on an average of 40 games tested at 180p with high settings. However, performance data for the 12-core processor is not yet available. AMD has also confirmed that the Ryzen 9 90X3D series is scheduled for release in March 2025.